Hi and welcome back into this channel, and thank you so much for clicking to the video. So today I am going to show you how to join Pet Stimulator X Discord server. So what you can do is first you need to open your Discord app on your computer, and then on the left side of your screen you will see this a sign and it says add server, and you just need to click on that, and this window will appear on your screen. So after that, on the bottom part of this window, you will see a button that says join a server. And in this area, we will going to type in discord.gg/for lowercase x u q and then uppercase e k and then lowercase q. After you type in this in this area, you'll just need to click on join server. And after that, in order to complete the process, you will just need to verify and read the rules, and then you're keep updated. And that is all for this video, and I hope you learned something. And if you did, please make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great rest of the day. Bye-bye.